can you introduce yourself a little bit for my viewers?
Okay, sure. As you know, my name is Shilpa. Originally, I'm from Himachal Pradesh, but currently living in Punjab. I'm a
Hmm.
homemaker. Have done masters in biotechnology and B.Ed. I'm a YouTuber because I'm learning English, so that's why I have created a channel, and my channel is all about English learning. This is all about me.
Okay. Okay. Recently, we have celebrated Janmashtami. Did you celebrate?
Yes. We celebrated. We have three kids in our family, so we get ready our kids as Radha and Krishna. So we
Hmm.
celebrated it at home.
Hmm. Like in some family, they are ready their children in the form of Radha and Krishna. Did you do same with your daughter?
Yes. We did. Actually, I have only one kid. Another two are my sister-in-law kids. So uh, we made Radha and Krishna, like everyone do at Radha at Janmashtami.
Yes. And after that, I think you created some reels also. It's just
Yes,
my.
I have
Mhm.
created on Instagram, but I did not post on YouTube. Uh, Only for Instagram or for Facebook.
Do you feel really very happy when you are dressing your daughter in that attire?
In especially in Radha. Yes,
Yes.
yes. We never did this before. For the first
Mm.
time, we did this because we had three holidays, like Saturday, Sunday,
Mm.
Monday off. So me and my sister-in-law, we made a plan that okay, we are going to do this activity for our
Mm.
kids. So we did this. We went to market and brought some jewelry for our kids.
Mm.
We bought a bansuri and attire we bought from the
Mm.
market. So we felt very happy and we did it for the first time. We never did
Mm.
it before.
Mm. And after dressing up our children, I don't know why we are feeling very happy. Sometimes we are feeling okay, we are on a cloud nine.
Yes, the main reason behind this because we wanted to get to know about for our children that okay, this is our culture. We
Mm.
celebrate Ashtami because Lord Krishna took birth at this day.
Mm.
Wanted to tell them by doing this. After that, after doing puja and all these things, we made reels where
Mm.
but we have two daughters in our family, so they both performed a dance activity like on Radha
Mm.
Krishna. So
Mm.
we tried, and we were very happy that okay, we did this.
Yes, under the pretext of this occasion, we are educating our children our culture,
Yes,
who
yes,
was Krishna, and we can, tell him so many stories which are related from Krishna, which is related from Krishna. So, like
yes.
there are so many, you can say like Balroop, and when he was young, and he had taken part in the Mahabharata also, Krishna. So, which part of his life always, influence you?
Um, it's a very tricky question. Okay, I will try to answer this. When I was young, when I was kid, at that time I was fascinated towards his Bal Roop because
Hmm.
I still remember when I was going in school. At that time, we used to watch Krishna serial. So we
Hmm.
always watch Krishna's. He was very naughty and Makhan Chor. So we love to
Hmm.
that. But now at this age, now uh, nowadays I'm listening Gita. So
Okay.
now, at this point, at this age, I'm more fascinated his what he did
Teachings.
in Mahabharata. He
Hmm.
he has played a great role in Mahabharata. So I'm more influenced by this role. I do yoga and meditation in the morning. So what I
Hmm.
do, um, I listen to a audio
Hmm.
where on YouTube, where some I forget the name of that writer. So he was explaining the shloka, Gita shlokas.
Hmm.
So I listen to
Hmm.
them while doing yoga and meditation. When I do exercises and yoga, so I listen to them.
Hmm. There is a famous, teaching, कर्म करो, फल की चिंता मत करो.
Yes. But
Yes.
sometimes because I'm doing it for the very first time, and some things that are beyond my understanding. You
Hmm.
need to listen carefully, and you have to understand. Okay, what is the meaning of that thing? So I'm thinking that once I will finish the whole Gita, I will listen to it again because a lot of things are there which I'm not understanding till now.
Hmm. Yes, there is a one scene in the Mahabharata when Arjun was afraid. How can I kill my relatives, my brothers? That time his teachings were, superb. And
Yes,
he was saying, if someone is doing again and again, Duryodhan was very culprit type person. And he had done, you can say, he dishonored Draupadi also. It was not good.
yes,
For the sake of her honor, he should fight. It was the
yes.
best teaching, I can say.
Yeah,
Never think that they are your brother, they are your relatives. You should never think. If they have done these kind of things, so you should give punishment.
and I think in Gita, the more focus is on your karma, that you have
Hmm.
to do your work uh,
Hmm.
without the willing of, the result, what you will
Yes.
get at the end. So you have to
Hmm.
do your karma, you have to believe on your karma and on your God. So the whole focus is
Hmm.
on karma. If you will do good karma, good will come to you. If you will do bad karma, bad will
Hmm.
come to you.
Yes, in the childhood, I was also fascinated his, Bal Roop, like he was Makhan Chor. But like right now, I really love his character in Mahabharata.
Yes, yes. And I also watched Mahabharat in the COVID time. At that time, old
Hmm.
Mahabharata that was
Yes.
being televised on the television.
Yes.
So I all the episodes at that time. So it was really fascinating. And now at this age, because now I wanted to learn these things
Hmm.
because you feel very good when you learn these kind of things. You get to know about your culture, like there are
Hmm.
Vedas, uh,
Yes,
there
there
are
are so many things we can read and we can
yes.
learn.
So these things are not taught. These things were not taught in our school. I think
Hmm.
they
Yes.
introduce our school so that our children can get to know about these things.
Yes. So now I'm going to show uh, one object and you will describe.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Can you identify this? What is this?
I have been using it for last 8 years.
And it is my favorite, one of my favorite, cream,
Okay.
moisturizing cream.
This is a
So
baby's
you can
moisturizer.
you can describe whatever comes to your mind. You can.
Okay. Okay, this is baby's moisturizer cream
Mm,
of the company Himalaya, and I have been
mm,
also for last 8 years for my daughter. It is
yes.
weighted and it is very
Mm,
good. I think
mm.
it's from what we can say Ayurvedic cream.
Yes, it's you can say Ayurvedic. It's very gentle and soft cream,
So
and it will.
it is believed
Mm,
that it is free of chemicals, but I'm not sure about it. It is believed that it is
mm,
free of chemicals, so that's why I'm also using it for my baby.
mm.
So it is a white color tube with green color cap, um,
Yes,
and
yes.
there is a purple color mark on the tube.
Yes, it's a
Uh,
logo.
yeah, it's the logo, and baby cream. It is written on this logo.
Yes, yes. And before this, I was using Johnson cream, but there were some complaint. Someone has filed against Johnson. After that, I stopped using that cream.
Yes, same here, same here. I was also using that cream, and then I started using this cream. But on YouTube, there are many criticizers of this cream as
Mm.
well. So now
Yes.
I'm very confused which one is best, because now people are using Mama Earth, and now lot of people.
No, I'm not using Mama Earth. I'm just using this baby cream.
But nowadays I'm using Mama Earth, and suddenly I got a video on YouTube that Mama Earth is also not good. So I was thinking, okay, what do I do now? What I have to use now?
This cream always gives best result. It always nourishes our skin. And I always, if someone wants like suggestion, I always give suggestion. You should always use baby products.
Okay,
Yes,
yeah, they are very light and free of chemicals.
like baby shampoo, baby cream, all are very good. I can say
Okay.
yes.
Oh, I forgot to ask you that how was your Janmashtami? I didn't ask you.
Niger Masmi was very good. That
Mm-hmm.
day, my family we go ISKCON temple. It is situated in Jaipur also. But yes, it was not so good because in Jaipur this year we are facing heavy rain.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
As you know, Rajasthan always faces some rain problem, like they are facing scarcity of water. But this year, I don't know why we are getting lots of rain.
Okay. So I good, because you can get relaxed from the summer.
Yes, now we are feeling very good, and today is a very sunshine day. Yes, after I think 28 days, we are getting this kind of sunlight.
Okay, 28 days.
Yes, and because of this problem, there are lots of water lodging problem in every area,
Oh,
and most
and
of the schools were closed.
here the
And most
situation.
of the schools were closed, and they were conducting online classes by Zoom.
Okay, okay. Actually,
Yes,
I don't listen to news, so I was not aware about this problem.
yes, this time Jaipur has break all the records.
Oh my God. And the situation is opposite here. We want rain because it
Mhm.
is very here. But it has been raining for last 2 days. But when after raining, when there is sunshine, then you will
Mhm.
feel the same hot. There is no
Okay,
difference.
okay.
And did you celebrate with your kids?
Yes, but this year I was not ready to dress up just like a Radha because she don't want. Now she is grown up. When she was
Yes,
kid, I always dress up just like Kanha. Sometimes I was wearing in the form of Radha. But now she is in sixth standard, so she don't want.
yes, yes. I can
Yes,
understand, because you know uh, what do we call nephew? भतीजे को क्या बोलते हैं? Nephew.
nephew,
So
nephew.
my nephew, he is also in sixth standard. So we convinced him to get ready in the attire of Krishna. He was not ready. He was denying. I don't want to
Hmm.
get dressed in Krishna, because I am grown up now, and you will put my status. You will put the video on status, and my friends
Hmm.
will, and they will they will laugh at me. So he was also
Yes.
denying. We convinced him,
Hmm.
and he bore the attire.
Yes. When the children are like 4 or 5 years old, they are very eager to dress up just like Radha and Krishna. And
Yes,
when they are just gradually they are grow, they don't want.
yes.
And sometimes they are not ready. Like you are saying, okay, beta, I want a picture with you. They are not ready for.
Yes, yes, they are not ready because they are grown up now and they will think, okay, what
Hmm.
they are. But I feel that when your kids are very small, you should do these kind of activities so that
Hmm.
they can know about their goals and to know about their
Hmm.
culture. Okay, we are celebrating this thing, so we
Yes,
should
and we
do.
can narrate a story also so that
Yes,
our children can learn who was Krishna and what was his teachings.
yes.
There are so many states of Lord Krishna. We can teach him.
Yes, I remember when I was kid. At that time, we used to watch many serials of gods. Like there was a Shri Krishna. So I used to
Sri
watch.
Krishna, Vishnu Puran. There are so many serials.
Nowadays, kids don't watch these kind of programs. I haven't seen at my home anybody
Hmm.
watching kind of program. They are only watching cartoons, these kind of things. So how would they know about our goats? So that's
Hmm.
why uh, in this year, we thought, okay, we will do this kind of activity at our home.
Hmm. And I think 8 years ago there were a movie also like Ganesha movie. I think Little
Yes, yes,
Hanuman. There are so many children movie. But nowadays they are not making any kind of any this kind of movie.
yes, yes, yes. I still remember. I think that is my friend Ganesha, something like that.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
My friend Ganesha and Little Hanuman also. There are so many movies.
Yeah, Chota
Yes,
Bheem,
Chota
and
Bheem.
but nowadays I
But
haven't seen.
nowadays all characters are totally disappeared.
Yes, yes, you are right.
They are serving their foreign culture.
Yes, you are right. But I feel that if parents uh, they teach their children, then definitely they will be aware about their
Mm.
then
Yes,
culture.
it's our duty. We should educate our children about our culture, about our goddess deity. It's our
Yes.
duty.